Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm in my new place, and ever since I've moved in, I really love how decorative the landlord has really done with our small area. And I'm just outside and I'm loving the medicinal plants, the food plants, and the green grass, the decorative. Everything is just beautiful for village standard. So guys, I'm going to tour it for you guys to see how our backyard is. So let's see how it is. So when you come inside, this is what you see. There's a tree, a coconut tree just inside, and then there's an orange tree over here. We like medicinal plants, and another coconut tree over here. And this is lemongrass. Then we have the green grass over here. Then we have flowers just on the edge of the green grass. There's a flower lane over here as well. And then more green grass over here. Got a flower over here. It's a decorative flower, as well as this one. Then we've got another shade tree here. More green grass over here. And then when it comes to this side is more like medicinal plants, like food, and also food plants. So we have spinach leaf over there, cassava, and then garden eggs or eggplants. So all this area is food plants. So when we stand here, this is how it actually looks like. And this place is more than the resting area, where you can put your chair here and rest. So at the back is another orange tree. Cock and hen are crowing. So we've got young dandelion leaves here. My favorite for salad. I actually like the food plants and medicinal plants for decorating our backyard. So that's it for our beautiful backyard in the village. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.